Okay. Limits extending to 1, we have 1 plus x divided by 2 plus x. Whole raised power 1 minus root x divided by 1 minus x. We need to solve it. We need to find its value. Yes. Please tell me how to solve it. Yes, Gopi, Suchita. Gopi, how can we solve it? Okay, Gauri. You joined late and always please be on time. Okay. Gauri, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Noted.
okay. Please reply. And you had done class 12. Okay, we are doing limits, undeterminate form, basically 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 dot infinity, and like all these undeterminate.
Okay.
I hope you know it. And
Yes, sir.
okay, and you just tell me, how did you find the maths in the class 12 or in the JE, and where did you face the problem? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. So the problem started during the integration part, actually.
Yes.
I was basically in a coaching and there was some troubles. I had to self-study for that part. So I think that's where I'm weak.
Okay. Integration part.
Yeah.
Okay. And what the score you got in JEE means?
For maths, it was 50%.
Okay. But anyway, no need to worry. We are starting from the very beginning. I will tell you the shortcut tricks and the concept, and I will tell you each and everything. They are very easy, but we need to understand them and we need to keep them into minds. And we need to apply them at the right time, in the right questions. ठीक है ना? तो दिक्कत तो नहीं है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, परेशान नहीं होइए. And what about the language, Suchita, Gopi, Gauri? All you understand Hindi or tell me?
Both are fine for me.
Both are fine. Huh? Usually we will use the mixed language, sometimes Hindi, sometimes English, but ठीक है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Let's start with the problem. We have a question limits extending to 1 plus x, 1, 2 plus x, 1 minus root x upon 1 minus x. How to solve it? Anyone? Yes? Tell me. Gopi? Okay. Just wait. In the limits question and determinate form, we need to find the term which is making problem. Okay. Suppose you put x to be 1 plus x, that is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 2 by 3. The term inside the bracket is not 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, its value is 2 by 3. No problem. But when we put x to be 1 here in the power term, I'm getting 1 minus 1, that is 0 divided by 0. This term, the power term, is making problem. So I will have to do some manipulations so that I can simplify it. Okay, we have two methods. When we have the polynomial, we can do factorization, rationalization, and in the trigonometric expression, we have the formulas. We have many formulas that we can apply, but it is a polynomial, we can factorize it easily. Okay, I have two methods to solve this. One is this, that I will factorize it. I can write limits extending to 1 plus x divided by 2 plus x. This term is safe. No need to touch it. In the numerator, in the power term, I have 1 minus root x term. This is making a problem. I will try to write the denominator term in terms of the numerator so that it gets cancelled. That is 0 by 0 form, that gets cancelled. So I can factorize the denominator. I can write it 1 minus root x multiplied by 1 plus root x. This way we can write. Okay. Now what happens? 1 minus root x, 1 minus root x, both terms are 0 by 0 form, they gets cancelled. Now I can put the value of x, which is 1. So I'm getting 1 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. If I put x to be 1 here, I'm getting 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So basically 2 by 3 power half or under root of 2 by 3 is my answer. Is it clear? No problem?
So,
Okay. Just a minute. In the whole this chapter, undeterminate form, we need to write one terms in terms of the another so that they get cancelled. What I have done, I have changed the denominator. I wrote the denominator instead of the numerator. Okay. I can go in the opposite way also. Just a minute. What I'm saying, I can change the numerator. I can change the numerator. I can write in terms of the denominator. However, it is not possible all the time. So we need to find the term which can be converted into another easily. Okay, we have 1 minus root x divided by 1 minus x. This we have. Not what I'm saying. I will multiply and divide with 1 plus root x. Basically, I'm rationalizing. Okay. So I'm multiplying with 1 plus root x divided by 1 plus root x. Okay. What happens? I'm getting limits extending to 1 plus x upon 2 plus x. So one term is there, no problem. 1 minus root x, 1 plus root x. If we multiply, we are getting 1 minus x. In the denominator, I have a one term, 1 minus x. There is another term, 1 upon 1 plus root x. This term is same. This will be my answer. Okay, it's not 0. If I put x to be 1, I am getting 1 plus 1, that is 2. It is not 1 by 0 or 0 by 0. And this will be part of the answer. It will become an answer. It is same. Keep it aside. Okay, don't touch it. Okay, so now what happens? 1 minus x gets cancelled. Now I put x to be 1 in the bracket. I'm getting 2 by 3 whole power half, and that is my answer. Clear? Clear to everybody? Suchita, Gopi, Gauri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move. Huh? But wait, after a certain time, after 2-3 questions, we will do tough questions. They are the basic questions. What I am telling in this whole chapter, always find a term which is making problem. I mean, which is 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity. And we need to manipulate that term, one particular term that we need to find it out. Try to write one terms in terms of another, either by factorization, rationalization, or we have the formulas. Okay, anyone we can apply. Let's proceed. Let's start with the next question. Just a minute. We have this question, limits extending to infinity. Okay, just I'm writing the question. Limits extending to infinite. We have x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 2x square minus 3x minus 2 whole power 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. We need to find its value. Just tell me how to solve it. Yes, anyone?
We multiply the power term by x plus 1.
No. That is wrong. That is wrong. Okay. Anyway. Just wait. Let us find in which form it is. It's 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or whatever. Okay. Suppose I put x to be infinite. Okay. Suppose I put x to be infinite. The term x square plus 2x plus 1, the numerator is infinite, denominator is infinite. The term inside the bracket is infinity by infinity. Okay. And the term in the power. Okay. The term in the power also. If I put x to be infinity. So the term inside the bracket is making problem and the power term is making problem. Both of the term is making problem. I will manipulate both of them. But anyway, before we do this question, I'm going to do another question. Just a minute. I will insert a slide, then I will tell you. Please keep on responding. That gives me the idea. What do you know? What you don't know? I will cover up all those things. बोलते रहिए, बताते रहिए, उससे आइडिया लग जाता है. एकदम बिगनिंग से पढ़ाएंगे तो वो समझ में नहीं आता ना कि आपको आता है कि नहीं आता है. दो चीज आती है, उसको पढ़ाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. नो नीड टू डू द सेम थिंग दैट यू नो. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अभी 2-3 क्लास के बाद आई विल गेट अ क्लियर आइडिया अबाउट योर नॉलेज. डोंट वरी. नाउ आई एम गिविंग ए डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन. This is the problem that I am giving you. Limits x tending to infinity, I have 3x square minus 7x plus 15 divided by, I'm giving you x square plus x minus 17. Okay, I'm asking the value of this expression. Tell me anyone how to do it? Okay, just a minute. We have a polynomial, second degree polynomial in the numerator, second degree polynomial in the denominator. I can factorize, but it's not required. Sometimes I will give you a question that you cannot factorize. In the numerator, if you calculate discriminant b square minus 4ac, there you are going to get negative. So you cannot factorize it. If it is possible to factorize, do factorization. However, it's not going to help us in most of the question. I will give you the questions which cannot be factorized. Okay. No, we cannot take the x common also. Suchita, we cannot take. There is a way, there is a method, there is a hard and fast rule that we need to follow. Whenever we have question terms involving polynomials, okay, and it is in the form of infinity by infinity, then only we can apply. Otherwise, we cannot. Whenever we have the polynomial and it is in the form of infinity by infinity, what you do? Divide the whole expression, numerator and denominator, both with the highest power of x. In this question, highest power of x is x square. So I am going to divide with the x square, numerator and denominator both. Okay. So I am going to divide with the x square, numerator and denominator both, not x, with x square. Suchita. Okay. If I divide with the x, what happens? I am getting limits extending to infinity. 3x square by x square give me 3. Minus 7x upon x square will give me 7 by x. After that, 15 divided by x square. This term I am getting. And in the denominator, I am having 1 plus 1 by x. X upon x square will give me 1 by x minus 17 of x square. I am getting this term. Is it clear? No problem?
Yes, sir.
You can do the same thing in the reverse order. You can do the same thing, but that doesn't look nice. I'm going to cancel it. I will rub it out. What you can do, you can take x square common. Suchita, you took x, not x. Take the highest power. That is x square. Take x square common. Then you are getting 3 minus 7 by x plus 15 by x square. That doesn't look nice. I will rub it out. Take x square common from the denominator. So the highest power. After that, 1 plus 1 by x minus 17 divided by x square. What happens? X square and x square get cancelled. I get the same term that I wrote with the brown color. वही चीज आ जाएगी. But this doesn't look nice. For that reason, I'm erasing. Dividing with the highest power of x is a better way. That looks nice. Now, what I say, I will put x to be infinity. When I put x to be infinite, 7 by infinity will become 0. Here 15 by infinity will become 0. This term is 0. This term is 0. So I'm showing you, I can say that is 3 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 minus 0. Basically, I'm getting 3. And that is my answer. Clear? Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So बस हाँ एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, अगर पॉलिनोमियल है तभी तो हाईएस्ट पावर जो x की होगी उससे डिवाइड कर देंगे. ठीक है ना? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's come to the previous question. Okay, that I was doing. Okay, we have this question. Okay, in the bracket we have a polynomial of the second degree. In the power term, then also we have a polynomial of the first degree. X power 1 is there. So this term inside the bracket is making problem. The power term is making problem. I will manipulate both of them. I will apply the same method, same rule. This is hard and fast rule. This is a shortcut. However, we have one more method. I can replace x with 1 by y. In place of the x, I will write 1 by y. That becomes lengthy and it's not advisable to do also. For that reason, I'm not telling you. So I can write limits extending to infinity. I'm showing you the steps. I'm having x square plus 2x plus 1. However, we can write it to be x plus 1 whole square, but it's not required. No need. 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Okay, we can factorize the term inside the this denominator delta is positive, b square minus 4 is positive, we can factorize, but that may not be easy also. Just forget it. Don't think about that. Divide with the highest power x, that is 1 by x square, numerator and denominator both. Do the same thing in the power term also. 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 we have. X power 1 is the highest power, so I am dividing with the x, 1 by x. Now I am writing it once again. I am getting limits x tending to infinity, 1 by x square inside the bracket. If I do, I am getting 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. And in the denominator, I am getting 2 minus 3 by x minus 2 upon x square. Here, I am getting 2 plus 1 by x divided by 1 minus 1 by x. Now, if I put x to be infinite, I am writing directly 2 by infinity, this will become 0. 1 by infinity, this will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. Basically, I got 1 by 2 inside the bracket. That I am writing 1 by 2. In the power term, 1 by x, that becomes 0. 2 plus 0. That is basically 2 by 1. Power 2. Our answer is 1 by 4. Is it clear to everybody? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to give you a different question that is very similar, but it's a good one. Huh? Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm giving another problem. I'm giving limits extending to infinity. I have a term under root of 4x square plus x minus 7. I will give you the term which cannot be factorized always. Huh? After that, we have a plus sign under root of basically cube root. Huh? This is the square root. I'm giving cube root of 27x cube minus 14x square plus 5x plus 9. In the denominator, I have a term fourth root of x power 16 minus 7x square plus 5x plus 11. And here I'm having a term of fifth root. Fifth root of x, just simply fifth root of 16, or I'm just writing 10 x power 4 plus 7x cube minus 9x plus 5. Okay, we need to find its limit. Tell me how to do it. हाँ बोलिए क्या करा जाएगा. Okay. Just a minute. I just told you we need to divide with the highest power of x. Huh? Just a minute. I'm showing you. The first term is square root. We have the term of x square. Power half will give me x. So basically, I will get x power 1. Here x cube power 1 by 3 will give me x. X power 1. Here x power 16. No, I wrote wrong. It is wrong. It's not 16. It is x power 4. X power 4. I wrote wrong. X power 4 divided by 1 by 4 will give me x power 1. And in the last term, I will get x power 4 by 5. Here I have x power 1, x power 1, x power 1. Here I am having x power 4 by 5. That is smaller than 1. Overall, in the whole expression, I am getting x power 1 is the highest term. Okay. So what I'm saying, I will divide the whole expression, the numerator and denominator, with x or 1 by x. I will do 1 by x. Now I can write limits x tending to infinity. Okay. The term 1 by x will go inside the square root term. So it will become x square. So I can write it square root of 4. Okay, x 1 by x has become 1 by x square. It has gone inside the square root. So 1 by x minus 7 by x square. Can we write? Is it clear or not? Tell me. कैसे लिखा जा सकता है ना? जल्दी बोलिए. Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. हाँ. The second term I'm writing plus. I am dividing the second term with the x 1 by x. So it will go inside the cube root. So it will become 1 by x cube. So 1 by x cube has gone inside the cube root. So I will get the term cube root 27 minus 14 divided by x. X square by x cube will give me 1 by x. After that, I am getting 5 upon x square. After that, 9 upon x cube. No problem. Now 1 by x will go inside the fourth root. So it will become 1 upon x power 4. So I am getting 1 minus 7 upon x square. After that, 5 divided by x cube. After that, I will get 11 divided by x power 4. Okay. Now the last term. I have the fifth root. 1 by x will go inside the fifth root. It will become 1 upon x to power 5. So this is the fifth root. X to power 4 divided by x to power 5 will give me 1 by x. The first term will become 10 by x. After that, 7 x cube upon x to power 5 will give me x square. After that, 9 upon x power 4 will be there. After that, 5 upon x power 5. This term I am getting. Now, if I put x to be infinite, this term is 0, this term is 0. Basically, square root of 4, that is 2. Here, this term 0, this term is 0, cube root of 27, that is 3. This term 0, this term 0, this term 1 power 1 by 4, that is 1. Here, when x is tending to infinity, 10 by infinity, the first term is 0, second term is 0, third term is 0, last term is 0, all of them are 0. Okay, so I can say its value is 2 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 0, basically 5. 5 is my answer. Clear? जल्दी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
बात फॉलो कर लिया ना? Any
Yes, sir.
doubt? हाँ, any doubt to anybody? वो भी कर सकते थे, वो भी कर सकते थे, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता. देखो कि सब जेई वगैरह में सब चीजें नहीं करी जाती, अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इसलिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, यू टेक एक्स स्क्वायर, जस्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर रूट टर्म यू टेक एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन. एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन लेंगे, अंडर रूट लेके एक्स करके बाहर आ जाएगा. आई विल गेट द सेम टर्म. हेयर टेक एक्स क्यूब कॉमन, यू विल गेट एक्स हेयर एंड द सेम टर्म हेयर. अगर आप पहले वाले में से एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन लेंगे, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एक्स हेयर. इन द सेकंड वन टेक एक्स क्यूब कॉमन, यू विल गेट एक्स हेयर. Take x to power 4 common, you will get x here. In the fifth term, take x to power 5 common. Okay, then you will get x here. और ये x, ये x, ये x और ये x throughout common लेके बाद में कट जाएंगे. तो ये बेवकूफी का काम है, ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ. वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, ठीक नहीं लगता है. That is not a better thing. Clear to everybody? No problem. आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just wait. I'm going to change these questions once again. Okay, just wait. आज के दिन ज्यादा नहीं कराएंगे, अभी छोटा सा आर्टिकल बता रहे हैं. अभी एक सेकेंड. जो इंपॉर्टेंट बेसिक चीजें जो हमें थ्रू आउट द ईयर काम आएंगी वो बता रहा हूँ. लिमिट्स की बात छोड़ दिए, कॉन्टिन्यूटी है, डिफरेंशियबिलिटी है, या मैथमेटिक्स में अलजेब्रा में कहीं पे भी कुछ भी जरूरत पड़ सकती है, वो बता रहा हूँ. जस्ट अ मिनट. वेट वेट, आई विल इंसर्ट वन मोर स्लाइड. एक और स्लाइड इंसर्ट करूंगा. Okay. The problem that I'm giving you now, limits extending to minus infinity. I have 5x minus sign under root of 4x square plus 3x minus 7. In the denominator, I am writing 2x plus under root of 16x square minus 5x plus 12. Okay, we need to solve it. Tell me anyone how to do it? Yes, please tell me. In this question, I am having limits extending to minus infinity. X is not tending to infinite, it is minus infinity. Now I will check the degrees of polynomial. X square power half will give me x. Here x square power half will give me x. X power 1 I am getting, x power 1 I am getting here, x power 1 is here, x power 1 is there. The highest power of x is x power 1. So I will divide with the x. Am I right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
I will proceed in the same way.
Yes.
I will divide with 1 by x. I will divide with 1 by x. Just a minute. So I am getting limits extending to minus infinity. If I divide 1 by x, I am getting the first term 5. Minus sign is there. 1 by x will go inside the square root. It will become x square. So I can write 4 plus 3 divided by x minus 7 by x square. And 1 by x, 2x by x will give me 2 plus sign is there. And here I'm going to get 16 minus 5 by x plus 12 divided by x square. Am I right? जल्दी बोलिए, सही लिखा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 1 by x, the term 3 by x, 7 by x, they will become 0. Here 5 by x will become 0, 12 by x will become 0. So basically I am getting answer that is 5 minus under root of 4, that is 2. In the denominator, 2 under root 16 is 4. So my answer is 3 by 6. Am I right? Or basically half. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
it is wrong. ये wrong है. ये गलत है. ये नहीं कर पाएंगे. ये नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है? नहीं कर पाएंगे. I have committed a mistake. 95, in fact 99% of people will do this mistake. Even the good teachers do this mistake. This is wrong. Why? What is the reason? That I am telling you. Okay. Just wait. I will tell you the same thing, but in a different manner. Just a minute. 1 by x is there. X is negative. X is negative. This term is negative when it goes inside the square root. I cannot take the negative term inside the square root. ये बात फॉलो करते हैं ना? नेगेटिव वाली टर्म से हम जो है करेंगे तो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर नहीं जा सकती है. Only the positive term can go inside the square root. Okay. So we have done 1 by x, that is wrong. I cannot do 1 by x. I can do minus of 1 by x. That we can do. But I cannot do 1 by x. I can multiply and divide with the positive number. I cannot divide, okay, with the negative number when we have the square root terms. Okay, just a minute. I बता रहा हूँ. I will tell you the same thing, but in a different language. Just a minute. अभी समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है. Okay. 0 negative, 0 positive, the same thing. Okay. 3 plus of 0, little more than 0 is also 3. And 3 plus 0, a little less than 0 is also 3. Okay. Basically 3 minus 0 and 3 plus 0, both are same. Okay. It doesn't make any difference. ठीक है, उससे कोई लिमिट्स में उसका कंटिन्यूटी में बताएंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर रहेगा. बट आई हैव कमिटेड ए मिस्टेक. जस्ट अ मिनट. I am doing the same problem, the correct method. I am writing limits extending to minus infinity. 5x is there. Minus, I am taking x square common. I am showing you. अब स्टेप लिख के शो करके बता रहा हूँ. I am taking x square common. After that, I am getting 4 plus 3 by x minus 7 by x square. Okay. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ I'm having 2x plus under root of 16x square. I am taking x square common, so I am left with the 16 minus of the 5x and plus of the 12 by x square. गलत लिख दिया है, 5 by x and plus 12 by x square. That we can write. Am I right? जल्दी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
चलिए ठीक है. Now I'm writing the next step, that is limits extending to infinity minus infinity, not infinite. We have 5x. X square, if I take the square root, I will get x. So I will get minus x outside. After that, 4 plus 3 by x minus 7 over x square. They are 0. No need to worry for them. After that, we are having 2x plus x under root of 16 minus 5 by x plus 12 upon x square. Am I right? Can we write?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will take x common. I will take x common from the numerator and denominator. Okay. Just a minute. I am showing you. Just a minute. लिख के नहीं बताऊंगा. I will take x common from the numerator. So this x will take common. I will get x here. So I will get 5 minus under root 4, that is 2 divided by 2 plus 4, that is 3. Okay. बात follow करी ना? Okay, I'm writing. I will show you. Now I can take x common. Limits extending to minus infinity. I will take x common. Sometimes it's good to write the wrong thing so that it becomes clear. I'm taking x common. So I'm getting 5 minus under root of 4 plus 3 by x minus 7 by x square. After that, I will take x common in the denominator also. I'm going to get 2 plus under root of 16 minus 5 by x plus 12 by x square. Am I right? Please tell me. Now this x and this x will get cancelled. And if I put x to be minus infinity, so I'm getting 5 minus of the minus 0. Okay. 5 minus 4 under root 4, that is 2. 5 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 4. That is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. But it is wrong. It is wrong. गलती कर दी मैंने. गलती कहाँ पे करी ये बताइए पहले. ये गलत है. This is wrong. I'm rubbing it out. उसको रब कर रहा हूँ. गलत है. Okay. What the mistake I have committed that I'm telling you? Just a minute. Under root of x square. Under root x square निकालते हैं. Then what is the value of under root x square? Tell me. जल्दी बोलिए. Mod x. Yes. Under root x square is mod x. That is mod x. ठीक है. अब जैसे अंडर रूट 9 होता है, अंडर रूट 9 जो होता है, अंडर रूट 9 इज 3 ओनली. अंडर रूट 9 जो है -3, दैट इज रॉन्ग. अंडर रूट 9 जो हम लोग प्लस -3 लिखते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. तो स्क्वायर रूट, वी कैन टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ ओनली पॉजिटिव नंबर. फर्स्ट थिंग, आफ्टर टेकिंग द स्क्वायर रूट, इट शुड बी पॉजिटिव. तो अंडर रूट 9 इज नॉट 3. अंडर रूट 9 इज नॉट प्लस -3 और -3. अंडर रूट 9 is 3. अंडर रूट x square. Root of x square, I can write root of x square, I can write mod x. Okay, the best way is to write mod x, or we can write in different manner. Under root x square, I will write to be x, but we are sure that x is greater than or equal to 0. And when x is positive, I will write it x. In case x is negative, then under root x square will be minus x when x is less than 0. When x is negative, minus x will be positive. The answer, square root of x square, is positive. Okay, minus x will become positive when x is negative. So here, under root of x square, I have taken as x. That is wrong. Because x is negative, minus infinity, it is minus 1000, minus 1 lakh, whatever you have, x is negative. So under root of x square, I need to write minus x. This is the mistake I committed. So I'm making it correct. Under root of x square is not x, it is minus x. Minus sign is outside all there. So I will write it to be plus x. Okay. Got it? Baat follow kar liya? The same thing in the denominator also. Under root x square, I cannot write x. I will write minus x and plus sign is there. Basically, I'm getting minus x. So I'm getting minus x. Now I can take x common. When I take x common, then I'm getting 5 plus. This term will become positive and the term in the denominator will become negative. 2 minus of that much. बात follow कर लिया? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
Got, now I can put the values. X got cancel. I am getting 5. Under root 4 is 2. In the denominator, 2 minus. Under root 16 is 4. Okay, it's positive. It should be positive. Square root of any number has to be positive. So basically, I'm getting 6 by 2. 5 to 7 by minus 2. Or minus 7 by 2 is my answer. Got it? बात फॉलो कर लिया? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए ठीक है. अब ये सब चीजों का ध्यान रखना होता है ना. अब वही चीज थी कि अगर पुराने मेथड में मैंने 1/x से डिवाइड कर दिया तो नहीं कर सकते थे, है ना. ठीक है. आई हैड टू डिवाइड विद -1/x, है ना. कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं? ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. जस्ट ए मिनट. ओके, जो चीज बताई उसका ध्यान रखिएगा. ये आगे तक काम आएगी, हमेशा काम आएगी जेई के लिए. थ्रू आउट द ईयर, थ्रू आउट द ईयर हम इसका रूट लेने पड़ेंगे. कॉन्टिन्यूटी, डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी में, अलजेब्रा में, कोऑर्डिनेट में, कहीं पे भी. तो आई विल टू बी वेरी कॉन्शियस. It should not be negative. I'm giving you another problem. I'm giving you limits n. I'm writing n. Instead of x, I'm writing n. Limits n tending to infinite. That looks better. We have 3 power n plus 4 power n divided by 3 power n minus 1 plus 4 power n minus 1. We need to find its value. Tell me how to do it.
Is this the one with the formula n into a raised to n minus 1?
No. We have different one. No, it is not the formula.
Okay.
Okay, formula is different. X power n minus a power n upon x minus a. That is different formula. But anyway, I'm showing if I put n to be infinite, I'm getting infinity by infinity form. But anyway, no need to worry. I can write it limits n tending to infinity. I will take 3 power n common from the numerator. If I take 3 power n common, I'm getting 1 plus 4 by 3 whole power n. We can write this way. Can I? I will take 3 power n minus 1 common from the denominator. 3 power n minus 1. After that, 1 plus 4 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Okay. Now, the next step that we can write limits n tending to infinity. 3 की power n divided by 3 की power n minus 1 give me 3. After that, I am left 1 plus 4 by 3 whole power n. In the denominator, I am getting 1 plus 4 by 3 whole power n minus 1. I am getting this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना. हाँ, अब क्वेश्चन को करा तो मुझे लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई. 3 की पावर n कॉमन ले लिया. आई गॉट ए टर्म 3. आफ्टर दैट दिस टर्म. इट लुक्स, जब स्टार्ट किया तो लगता था कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. नो बेनिफिट. वी कैन नॉट फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई. व्हाई? If I put n to be infinity, 4 by 3 is a number here. It is more than 1. Its power infinite is infinity. In the same thing here. So I'm having infinity by infinity form again. पहले भी infinity by infinity के फॉर्म में था, अभी भी infinity by infinity के फॉर्म में है. I cannot proceed further. अब नहीं कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. So whatever we have written is correct, but I cannot get the result. But I will do exactly the same thing and I will get a result. How? That I'm telling you. Okay. Instead of taking 3 power n common, take 4 की power n common in the numerator. Write in a different way. Then I can get a result. Limits are tending to take 4 to power n common. After that, I am left with 3 by 4 whole power n plus 1 take 4 to the power n minus 1 common, and I am left with 3 by 4 whole power n minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now, what I am saying, I am getting limits and tending to infinity. 4 power n divided by 4 power n minus 1 give me 4. After that, I am left with 3 by 4 whole to the power n plus 1. In the denominator, 3 by 4 whole power n minus 1 plus 1. I got this term. Now there is a difference. There is a difference. I can get a result here. Before I had number 4 by 3 that is larger than 1. Its power infinite is infinite. Okay. But here, in the second way, I have got 3 by 4 which is smaller than 1. The number is smaller than 1. That is into the fraction. Its power infinite will give me 0. Okay. So I'm getting a result that I'm writing. I can say that is 4 outside 0 plus 1, and in the denominator 3 by 4 is smaller than power infinite will be 0, 0 plus 1. So basically my answer is 4 and that is correct. बात follow करी? जल्दी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया ना? एक ही चीज करी है, बट एक चीज से यहाँ पर रिजल्ट आ रहा था, दूसरे से रिजल्ट नहीं आता है. So we need to write the expression in the whole mathematics in such a way that we can apply the logic or anything, but it should be a strong logic. A strong reason should be there. ठीक है? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
ओके, जस्ट मिनट अभी बता रहा हूँ. अभी हमने बताया, हमने करा क्या है ये बता देता हूँ. अभी जितने क्वेश्चन करे थे इन्फिनिटी बाय इन्फिनिटी के फॉर्म में, उसमें मैंने करा क्या ये बता देता हूँ. मैंने एक काम करा, पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में जो भी हाईएस्ट नंबर होता है उससे डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो हाईएस्ट नंबर 4 की पावर n था, 4 की पावर n से डिवाइड कर दिया, या एक में 4 की पावर n से, दूसरे में 4 की पावर n माइनस 1 से, एक ही चीज है, हाईएस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं. एंड द सेम थिंग वी हैव डन हियर आल्सो. ठीक है, एक्स स्क्वायर हाईएस्ट पावर था तो 1 बाई एक्स से या 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से डिवाइड कर दिया था. हियर आल्सो हाईएस्ट नंबर इज एक्स स्क्वायर. पॉलिनोमियल होता तो डिग्री बन जाता है, डिग्री की पावर होती है ना. अगर वो दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन होगा, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में लिखा है या किसी लॉग में लिखा है, तो वी विल डिवाइड विद द हाईएस्ट नंबर. When we divide with the highest number, what happens? All the terms become smaller than 1 and they become 0. Highest number से divide कर देते हैं और वो सब 0 बन जाते हैं. पॉलिनोमियल में तो हाईएस्ट पावर एंड हाईएस्ट नंबर इज द सेम थिंग है. वही चीज यहाँ पे भी मैंने करी, हाईएस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड किया था, और तो हाईएस्ट नंबर से ही डिवाइड किया है. गॉट इट व्हाट आई सेड?
Yes, sir.
ओके. Now I will do one more question and just a minute. अभी बता रहा हूँ, स्टार्ट कर दिया ना, तो उस समय यही सब प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती हैं थोड़ी सी. आई नीड टू कवर द होल आर्टिकल. जितनी वेराइटीज होती है ना, सबको कवर करना पड़ता है, वो ठीक रहता है. आई नेवर मिस एनीथिंग. जो भी चीज होती है सारी चीजें बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, डिफरेंट वेराइटीज, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, ये जो भी चीजें हैं सब बताता हूँ, छोड़ता कुछ नहीं हूँ. नाउ एक चीज जो भी मैं पढ़ा दूंगा, जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट में करा दूंगा, जेई का क्वेश्चन होगा उससे हटके नहीं आएगा. जितना मैंने पढ़ाया वो उसी के अंदर रहेगा, उससे बाहर नहीं जाएगा, ये बता दे रहा हूं मैं. पूरी मैथमेटिक्स के अंदर जितना मैं पढ़ाऊंगा उतने के अंदर ही आएगा. ठीक है, और फालतू की चीज नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा, जो काम की बस वही पढ़ाऊंगा. ठीक है, ऐसी चीजें नहीं बताऊंगा, कभी नहीं बताऊंगा जो काम में नहीं आने वाली है, फालतू में टाइम बर्बाद करे और कभी पूछी नहीं जाएंगी, वो नहीं बताऊंगा. ठीक है, हाँ कोई शॉर्टकट है, कोई अच्छी चीज है तो जरूर बताऊंगा. बट एनीवे, लेट्स प्रोसीड. वी आर हैविंग ए क्वेश्चन, लिमिट्स n tending to infinity. I have 1 power n plus 2 power n plus 3 power n whole power 1 by n. We need to find its value. हाँ, इसकी वैल्यू चाहिए हमें. How to do? But anyway, बता रहा हूँ. As I told you, I will divide with the highest number. और सारे नंबर जो फ्रैक्शन में बन जाएंगे, they will be smaller than 1 and they will become 0 when I take the limits. The same thing I am doing here. I will write limits n tending to infinity. highest number is 3 power n. I am taking 3 power n common. I am showing you. Then I will get 1 by 3 whole power n in the first term. After that, I will get 2 by 3 whole power n. After that, I will get 3 by 3. I'm showing whole power n and whole power 1 by n. Now we can write 3 की power n power 1 by n. So it will become 3 and can write it outside. I'm writing limits and tending to infinity. I have taken, it has become 3. I have taken it outside. I am left with 1 by n, 3 power n plus 2 by 3 power n plus 3 by 3 basically 1 power n or whole power 1 by n. Okay. Now, if I take n to be infinite, 1 by 3 power infinite will become 0. Okay. So 3, the first term will become 0. After that, 2 by 3 is smaller than 1. Its power infinite is 0. After that, 1 power n plus power 1 by n, that will give me 1. So my answer is 3. Am I right? Jaldi boliye.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है? एक चीज और भी दूसरा लॉजिक बता दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन करिएगा नहीं, ये मत करिएगा, ये हार्मफुल है। लेकिन कभी कभी बेसिकली फिजिक्स में कर देते हैं, मैथ्स में नहीं करते हैं। लेकिन मैथ्स में बहुत रेयर क्वेश्चन में जो एडवांस लेवल पे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे वहां पे करेंगे, वहां पे करेंगे। कभी कभी ऐसी टर्म्स आ जाएंगी, ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा कि जिसको हम सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे, प्रोसीड नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो उसमें लॉजिक से होगा, लेकिन वो रेयर क्वेश्चन होंगे, एडवांस में होगा। बता दे रहा हूं एक चीज, हाँ, इसको कर दिएगा नहीं, नुकसान करेगा। लिमिट्स एंड टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी। लिमिट्स जो एन जो है वो टेंड कर रहा है इनफाइनाइट के। तो 1 की पावर n एंड 2 की पावर n, 3 की पावर n। जब 3 की पावर n निकालेंगे, दैट विल बी वेरी लार्ज इन कंपैरिजन टू 2 की पावर n। एम आई राइट? 3 की पावर 1000 निकालेंगे, 2 की पावर 1000 निकालेंगे, तो 3 की पावर 1000 जब पावर में हो जाएगी तो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा। ठीक है, 2 की पावर 1000 भी बड़ा होगा, बट इट विल बी वेरी स्मॉल इन कंपैरिजन टू 3 की पावर 1000, है ना? तो 3 की पावर n के रेस्पेक्ट में 2 की पावर n को 1 की पावर n को वी कैन डिलीट, so we can write basically that is approximately equal to, or limits we are taking 3 की power n whole की power 1 by n. तो basically it is 3. Got it? बात फॉलो करी?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
हाँ, ये लेकिन करिएगा नहीं, नुकसान करेगा, मैं बता दे रहा हूँ, करिएगा नहीं। ठीक है, छोटे वाले क्वेश्चन है, उन्हें बता दे रहा हूँ। एक सेकंड। अब जैसे ये क्वेश्चन था, यहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, हर चीज को समझा दे रहा हूँ, हर चीज को बता दे रहा हूँ, जस्ट मिनट, बट नेवर डू दिस। ये करिएगा नहीं। When x is tending to infinite, x square will be very large in comparison to x और 15 है। So 7x और 15 को मैं डिलीट कर दूंगा in comparison to 3x का डिलीट। Do the same thing here. X and 17 minus 17 delete with the comparison to x square. You are getting 3x square upon x square get cancel. You are getting 3. 3 is your answer. ठीक है, बात फॉलो कर लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, same logic we can apply here. X square is very large in comparison to the x. Delete x and minus 7. X cube will be very large in comparison to all these terms. Here x की power 4 will be very large in comparison to all these. Here x की power 4 will be very large in comparison to delete all these terms. X square का square root ले लेंगे, 4 का square root आ जाएगा 2. I will get 2. Here 27x cube. If I take the square root, I will get 3x. Am I right? बात फॉलो कर लिया ना? उसको डिलीट कर देंगे, 3x आ जाएगा, 2x आ जाएगा। आई एम शोइंग यू, आई विल गेट 2x, आई विल गेट 3x। x की पावर 4 रहेगा, बाकी सारी टर्म हम डिलीट कर देंगे, सारी टर्म आई विल डिलीट। x की पावर 4 पावर 1 by 4, इफ आई डू आई विल गेट x। आई विल गेट x हियर, यहाँ पे x आ जाएगा। हियर x की पावर 4 by 5 विल कम। ठीक है, x की पावर 4 by 5 कराएंगे। ठीक है, कितना आएगा? It will become 0. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है ना? I will get x power 4 by 5. That is approximately 0 that we can say है, या जो भी वैल्यू आएगी इसके कंपैरिजन में काफी छोटी होगी। जस्ट a minute, just a minute, I am showing you. I will get x power 4 by 5. 4 by 5. अब एक काम करेंगे, when x is tending to infinity. When x is tending to infinity, x is very large in comparison to x power 4 by 5. Delete it. It will become 0. After that, I am getting 2x plus 3x divided by s. Take x common, get them cancelled and get answer 5. ठीक है, ये आंसर 5 आ जाएगा. इसीलिए कहा है ना कि कभी कभी ये लॉजिक भी लगाना पड़ सकता है, बट अवॉइड इट. दिक्कत आती है कभी कभी. We should be very sure that we can delete this term in comparison to another term. We should be very sure. अगर यहाँ पे हल्की सी कमी होगी तो गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. इस क्वेश्चन में भी यही करा था, इस क्वेश्चन में भी यही करा था. एक्स स्क्वायर इज वेरी लार्ज इन कंपेरिजन. जब पॉलिनोमियल है तो आसानी से हो जाता है. जब पावर उल्टी सीधी होती है तब परेशानी आती है. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 डिलीट एक्स 2x प्लस 1 डिलीट 3x माइनस 2 इन कंपेरिजन. आई विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर बेसिकली 1/2. हियर 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, delete 1 with respect to the x. So 2x by x basically 2, 1/2 power 2, that is 1/4 is my answer. बात फॉलो कर लिया ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो करिएगा नहीं, बता, मना कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन बता दिया है बस. फिजिक्स में ज्यादा कर लेते हैं कि इसके कंपैरिजन में उसको डिलीट कर लेते हैं. ऑप्टिक्स में है या फिर कहीं और भी हम लोग कर लेते हैं, लेकिन मैथ्स में यूजुअली अवॉइड इट. क्योंकि टर्म्स ऐसी नहीं होंगी कि you will get a very strong reason. चलिए, we will do this question, after that we'll stop. चलिए, we have this question, limits extending to 0. We have 9 plus 5x plus 4x square minus 3, and after that we have a x है ना. We need to simplify it. हाँ, जल्दी बताइए कैसे करेंगे. In the limits always, we need to find, we need to search which kind of undeterminate form it is. If I put x to be 0, 9 plus 0 plus 0, under root 9 basically 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. The numerator is 0, denominator is 0. So we are having 0 by 0 form, and 95% of the problems will be either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Okay. And other form 0 into infinity, infinity into infinity, 1 power infinity, they are different ones. We have different method for them. For 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity, most of the time we have the different method. जैसा क्वेश्चन होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेथड देंगे. ठीक है ना, सीधी सी बात है. तो 0 by 0 या इन्फिनिटी बाय इन्फिनिटी मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी है, ज्यादातर वही होता है. लेकिन जब दूसरे फॉर्म होते हैं तो उसके लिए मेथड को थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हैं. क्या चेंज करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, वो बता देंगे जब वो आएगा. ठीक है, जस्ट ए मिनट. तो वी आर गोइंग टू रेशनलाइज इट. इसको रेशनलाइज कर लिए, दैट इज सिंपल. वी आर द मेथड्स, वी कैन डू फैक्टराइजेशन, रेशनलाइजेशन, व्हाटएवर. सो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग 9 plus 5x plus 4x square minus 3 divided by x. I am rationalizing. I am multiplying and dividing with the conjugate, that is 9 plus 5x plus x square. After that, plus 3. Okay. In the denominator, I have a under root of 9.
Sir, 4.
Yes.
It's 4x square.
It is. Yes, what you're saying?
4x square, sir. It's
Okay. Plus 4x square, yeah, 4x square. We have the 4x square. Answer will not change. Whether we write 4x square or 10x square, it's not going to change anyway, but don't worry. Anyway, but we should not write wrong. What happens? I am rationalizing it. That term here, this term is safe. If I put x to be 0, this term is 0, this term is 0, under root 9, that is 3, plus 3, that is 6. So this will be my part of the answer. ये आंसर होगा, इसको अलग कर दीजिएगा, इसको टच नहीं करना है. Don't touch it. It is not 0 by 0. It is not 0. When we multiply these two terms, I am getting limits extending to 0. Can I write directly? जल्दी लिख दूं, डायरेक्ट लिख दूं. चलिए शो कर देता हूं. 9 plus 5x plus 4x square. After that, minus 3, it will become minus 9. In the denominator, I have x. ये term x की ये प्रॉब्लम कर रही थी, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगी. And this term, the second term is left, that is safe. That is 9 plus 5x plus 4x square. This term is safe. Plus 3. Okay. Now 9 gets cancelled. I can take x common. Limits extending to 0. If I take x common, I am left with 5 plus 4x divided by x here. After that, 1 divided by under root of 9 plus 5x plus 4x square plus 3. Now this x get cancelled. X turning to 0, 0 by 0 का फॉर्म था वो खत्म हो गया है. They got cancelled. Now I can put the value of x to be 0. So 5 plus 0, basically 5 divided by under root 9, that is 3 plus 3. So basically I am getting 5 by 6. That is my answer. बात फॉलो कर लिया ना, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो वो ठीक है. अभी वी हैव स्टार्टेड टुडे, आज ही स्टार्ट किया. तो जस्ट वेट अ मिनट, दैट वाज बेसिकली एन इंट्रोडक्शन कि थोड़े से बेसिक चीजें आपको बता दिया जाए. एंड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग डायरेक्टली. आई विल टेल यू फ्यू मोर मेथड्स. बताऊंगा. जितनी प्रॉब्लम करेंगे सबका एक तरीका और है. ठीक है, दैट ऑल्सो वी कैन डू. बट ऑलवेज कभी भी ऐसा होगा, मैथ्स के जो भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे हमेशा उसके कई तरीके होते हैं. बट आई ऑलवेज टेल यू द शॉर्टेस्ट एंड इजीएस्ट मेथड. हमेशा शॉर्ट और इजी वाला मेथड बताऊंगा. ठीक है, हालांकि हम दूसरे डिफरेंट मेथड ही बता देंगे, लेकिन हमेशा नहीं हो सकता है कि हमेशा मैं जो सारे क्वेश्चन को 4 मेथड से बता दूं. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई टेल यू मेनी मेथड्स. है ना, जो इजी होता है वो आई प्रिफर दैट. सो what I'm saying, we can stop now and we'll continue tomorrow. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you please log out. I will share this slide to you. And ये जो questions हैं slide के अंदर बहुत सारे आगे questions होंगे. You can try all of them. Class 12th में जो भी पढ़ा है उसके हिसाब से आप जैसे भी है आप कर लीजिए. I will tell you the better method in the next class and I will tell you the basic formulas. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please log out. I will share you this just now. और WhatsApp पे भेज दूंगा. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thanks.
sir.
Okay. Thanks. Okay. Please log out.